Hello, my name is Jeanette from Shut the Kale Up, and I am a health and wellness enthusiast living in California with my family. I am a mom of two, so I'm constantly cooking, and this is one of my favorite recipes that I'm going to be sharing with you today. It is the skillet salmon with a Valencia orange glaze. So this recipe calls for coconut aminos, avocado oil, honey, garlic and salt, some salmon, and these beautiful California Valencia oranges. These are my absolute favorite. They are super juicy, so fresh, and it makes this dish so vibrant in flavor, and I cannot wait to get into this recipe. Let's get started on this glaze. I'm gonna move my salmon to the side and bring the avocado oil over, and I'm gonna zest one of my Valencia oranges into the avocado oil. We're gonna do that. And I wish you guys could smell this because it smells incredible, so vibrant. And since it is summertime, these are in season and local to me since I live here in California, but the good thing is that they are nationwide. So you guys should definitely get your hands on them because they are so good, and especially for this glaze, which can be used for so many other things, not just salmon, but you can use it for chicken, for mushrooms if you're vegetarian. Any type of veggie would be so delicious, and you can grill or use your skillet or pop it in the oven. And so I'm gonna slice the orange now so I could juice it. And like I said, the heavier the orange, the juicier, which we need for this marinade. Smells so good. And this recipe calls for a whole Valencia orange. So I'm gonna grab the other half and squeeze the juice. And then we're gonna add the other ingredients, such as the coconut aminos, the garlic and the salt, which is already mixed in there, and then honey, which is gonna give such a nice flavor to the citrus. And then you wanna mix it up. I'm gonna grab the salmon. You wanna make sure that they are fully coated. It really smells incredible already, and the fish isn't even cooked yet. And with a spoon, I like to scoop up the marinade and just make sure that the fish is fully coated, like I said. And now I'm gonna take it to the skillet and sear it. We are going to place the salmon fillets skin side down. The thicker the salmon, you wanna make sure that you cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes. The thinner the salmon, you wanna cook less. So I'm going to flip the salmon down. It is cooking so nicely. We are gonna flip it back over, skin side down, and pop them in the oven for about 5 minutes. I am going to slice the orange to garnish the salmon. I mean, these are so perfect. We wanna make sure they're thin slices. The smell is incredible. I cannot wait to eat this. Now that the salmon has been in for 5 minutes, we're gonna take it out. Wow. This is cooked to perfection. As you can see, the crispy layer on top, and the glaze is just so perfect on it. So now we are going to assemble all the goods in one bowl. Starting with a green salad with some seasonal vegetables. I have a little bit of red bell pepper. We've got sweet potatoes, zucchini, and I love to also add a little bit of white rice. And of course, the main star of this dish, the salmon with Valencia oranges. I'm going to first dig into the citrus salmon with the Valencia orange glaze that I cannot wait to try. You guys, it is so flaky. Wow. All these flavors are so delicious. It's basically summer in a bowl, and it really hits home because of the California Valencia oranges tied into the salmon and marinade. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe, and you can find it at Food52.